is Joni with the UWM Writing Center. In this video, I'll show you how to make and cancel an online appointment. First, from our website, select the Make an Appointment button. If you don't already have a Writing Center account, you'll be prompted to create one, which only takes a few minutes. If you have an account, you'll be prompted to log in with your UWM ID and password. Next, you'll see the Writing Center schedule. Look for the white boxes to see what appointment times are available. For example, if you want to create an appointment for 3 o'clock, see who's available at that time and select a tutor you'd like to work with. When you click the white box at 3 o'clock, the Create New Appointment window will open. For each session, you have the option to have a 25 or a 50-minute appointment. If you'd like a 50-minute appointment, from the drop-down, select 3 to 4 p.m. rather than 3 to 3:30. When you scroll down, you'll see that Meet Online is already selected. Next, you can fill in your course information. Select Other if the course you're working on isn't already listed. You can also fill in an instructor if you'd like. Next, you can let your tutor know in advance what you'd like to work on during your session. For example, if you're working on understanding an assignment, you can select this option. If none of the listed options are close enough to what you want to talk about, you can select Other and type in something more specific. Finally, you can choose whether you want to use audio, video, or typing during your appointment. For audio-video, you select Yes. You can also select Audio Only, or select No if you'd like to type chat with your tutor during your session. I'll go ahead and select Yes. Finally, hit Create Appointment. You'll see in the green box that your appointment was saved successfully. When you close the window, your appointment will be saved. You'll see your appointment on the schedule in a gold box. If you need to cancel your appointment, log into the schedule and select your gold box. The View Existing Appointment window will open. In this window, scroll down and select the Cancel Appointment button. Select OK, and your appointment has been canceled. You'll see that your gold box is no longer on the schedule. If you'd like to reschedule for a later time or day, scroll through and look for other white boxes at times or dates that are more convenient for you. Thanks for watching and have a good time writing. Website at the UWM Writing Center to get more information in written form about online appointments. Simply select Appointments, go to Online Tutoring, and you can scroll down to read all about what you need to know for your tutoring session and online audio and video instructions.